hustling. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neil? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today we got a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. Our top story. U.S. bank workers open fake accounts for sale goals, federal agency says. Like, here you go. Like, we just view these banks as just like, hey, they're just the squared away guys and they just care about you and they care about your money. Meanwhile, they're out here gambling your funds away. They gamble your money away. They make stuff up so that they can fudge the reports so it looks like they're making more money than what they're actually doing. It says the U.S. bank's fake accounts scandal was not disclosed immediately by the CFBP bank, but the bank was forced to pay $37.5 million in files and penalties. And like, that's just crazy. Like, and really how they look at it, honestly, how they're going to look at it is that $37.5 million is just the cost of doing business. All right. Finance CZ, high inflation and recession fears will drive Bitcoin adoption. So currently Bitcoin trades with the stock market. Okay, when the S&P 500 goes up, when the Nasdaq goes up, Bitcoin goes up. When the Nasdaq sideways, Bitcoin goes down. When the Nasdaq goes down, Bitcoin crashes. Okay, there's going to come a point, in my opinion, when they will no longer be correlated with each other. They will be perhaps not inversely correlated, but just not directly correlated as they are right now. If you look at the charts, every time the Nasdaq goes up and the DXY goes down, Bitcoin goes up. It's just like plain and simple, clear as day. Regulation of cryptocurrencies in South Africa should not scare away investors, experts say. That's what I've been saying. The next wave of this next bull run, in my opinion, in 2025, is going to be regulations. People think that regulations are a bad thing. However, they are not a bad thing, because what's going to happen once something is regulated, that means overnight trillions and trillions of institutional money is going to flow into the cryptocurrency market, and that's going to cause it to go way up in value. Not only is it going to cause it to go way up, but it's going to cause it to stabilize so that it's not going to go down as much. Now, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. There's a few people that entered. I counted 5 people that commented the keyword on my last video. Once I reach 400 subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to be doing a 400 giveaway. The cap will be a maximum of 40 people, and I'm going to put it in a random generator once I reach 400 subscribers. Now, whoever comments the most is going to win the keyword. Whoever gets the most keyword tallies is going to win this 400 H-bar giveaway. So you're going to want to stick around till the end to get this keyword. But for now, like the video and watch this video all the way through. Subscribe to the channel so you don't ever miss a video, and put that bell icon on. U.S. banking regulators, banks must precipitate risk attached to crypto. Again, this is the next thing. The banks are going to start housing cryptocurrency. As of right now, the FDIC sought banks. They do not, if they go under, if they go insolvent like 3 Hours Capital, the Celsius, they are not entitled to pay you. Now, something like, we're on a rally right now in the cryptocurrency market. As you can see right here, a very green day. And look, Raven just popped right back into the top 100. You love to see it. 4 cents. You love to see it. It was at like 1 cent. On the week, Raven is up. Dude, on the month, Raven's up 73%. Anyways, we're on a rally right now, but these things don't just go in a straight line, right? At some point, it's going to have to come back down. And the thing with 3 Hours Capital, they haven't been forced to sell their stuff yet. That's going to happen. So if you are invested in a coin that is tied up with 3 Arrows Capital, you may want to consider taking profit, and you may want to consider a new investment strategy, because at some point, 3 Arrows Capital is going to have to sell their stuff to cover their massive losses. When that happens, they're going to dump on the market. Okay. Swiss Central Bank reports the biggest 6-month loss of 100 billion since it was founded in 1907. And I can tell you exactly why this is happening. It's because Ripple had a quarter-over-quarter gain. Ripple is eating their lunch money. Swiss is either going to adopt the Ripple technology or they're going to die. That's it. There's no in between. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter at Gajewskey. Swole is the goal, size is the prize. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at your boy Ski, TikTok at your boy Ski, and subscribe to the channel. I'm putting out daily market videos every single day. I'm going over the news, I'm going over the charts, and I'm putting myself on the line. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm willing to say exactly what I think it's going to happen. Not like these other like creators are like, whoa, if it goes up, I think the market's going to be up. And if it goes down, I think the market's going to go down. No, I'm giving you like, this is when I think that this is the energy of what the market is going to do. I'll never say, exact dates or anything like that, but I'll give you like a trend and an energy of bearish or bullish. Okay. And if you look at my videos, I've called many things. Quant, I was like saying stack it at $48. It's now at over $100. Same thing with Ethereum. I was saying it was going to go to 1,700 at $1,000. I was like, I kept saying I was setting it up. I was waiting for if this happens, I'm looking at this, I'm looking at this. Once this happens, there's no support, there's no resistance, all the way to 17. Lo and behold, that's exactly what happened. So, Ethereum will outpace Visa with DK EVM rollouts. This is the Polygon co-founder. If I'm not mistaken, Ethereum already did more transactions than they did last year as far as US dollar amount. Maybe not pure transactions, but I know the US dollar amount that was moved on the Ethereum network was surpassed Visa. Now, on the day, Bitcoin is over 24.5, which I said was a big number. So if we can close above this 24.5 where we're at right now, 24,500, we can close the day above that. There is no support at all until 20,000. So literally there's no resistance, no anything until 28,000. So it's going to go right on up into there. And if Bitcoin goes up by $3,000, guess what? That's like a, 10%, something like that. Well, guess what? If Bitcoin goes up by 10%, there's going to be more coins that are going up by 50, 40, 100%. So something to keep an eye on. It could pull back, and it could be the next new moon when this happens. But we'll see. We still have a little bit of bullish energy for the rest of the week. We have a couple more days of new moon energy. Right now, we're sitting at $1.12 trillion. You love to see it. We were at over $1.2 trillion. I'm looking at XRP. XRP has been pumping. It's up over 10% today. It was at 40 cents, which is big. We've came out of this range, and there is nothing at all until 50 cents. So we could just ride on from 30 all the way to 50. And even that is not really. So we'll see. We're still kind of in this downtrend, but again, it doesn't just go down in a straight line. Bitcoin looking good on the 5-day. It's looking real bullish, way in the severely oversold point, and we're still kind of hanging out in this trend area here that I drew up. But we just had a cross to the upside, so this looks really bullish. On the daily, it's cross to the upside. might actually bust out of this and cross the upside. Yeah, this is looking bullish. Looking real bullish. Right on top of that. If we can close above 24.5 today, that could be really big. And like cross the upside, touch, bam, all the way, moonshot. Cross the upside on the daily. This stuff is looking bullish. And look, you just saw that right on top of the 100 week. Have wicked above that. If we could get a close, and we're like out of this trend line. This is looking like we are due for a rally. We have not had a rally. Just been straight like nasty, nasty price action. Just weeks, just straight down. 11. It was 11 weekly green or red candles in a row, and now we've had 3 weekly. So we're due for a rally. I would say to like the 702. That would be fine. 702 into like August, September. That would be perfectly normal. We're looking at like 28 to 38K on Bitcoin, and when that happens, it could very well. We see this is one thing. This is big right here. This could be big. Everyone talked about an alt season this, alt season that. We have not had an alt season. We have not had an alt season. We may have been premature, and I think that there is a good possibility that we rally on up here to like 40K, 38K, 40K, somewhere in there. We're going to rally up. People are going to think cryptocurrency is back, and the alts are going to be running wild. I think this is exactly what's going to happen. And then maybe like Three Oaks Capital, some player, I don't know who it's going to be, is going to die at the end of Shemitah. Boom, we're going to come crashing right back down to what I believe to be about 9,600 is where I think the bottom is. 9,600 for Bitcoin. So, but we have not had an alt season. We have not had an alt season at all. So we could very well be in store for that. As of today, like the market is super green, just pumping to oblivion. And I mean, we're due for it. Like we were way overdue. On the month, Bitcoin's up 22%, Ethereum's up 59%. Like, dude, that's crazy. If you're up on this, dude, like take some profits. Just take 5%. Like if you got $1,000 in it and you're up 60% on that, dude, like just take a minimum of 10%. Take it off the board, put it in USDC, wait for a retracement. Same thing. Like, look, if you're on Avalanche and you're up freaking 92%, Shiba, you're up 97%, dude, like take your initial investment out and let your moon bag ride all the way. Some of these are up 50% on the week. Crazy. Like Raven coin is up 73% on the month. That is absolutely bonkers. Over like 59% on the week. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, so if you made it this far, and you want to draw your name in the hat of the giveaway of 400 HBAR when I reach 400 subscribers, what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to like this video. You're going to need to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. You never miss a video. And the word of the day is going to be alt season. ALT season. That is going to be the word of the day if you want to put your name in the drawing. And I'm actually going to give a decode word too. Like I'm going to wait about a minute and I'm going to give a decode word, which is it's not a real word. It's just to see if people skip to the end and then try to get the word. But the real word is alt season. And let's see here. We'll talk about some crow. Actually, I like crow. The symbolism of crow. Yeah. So the word of the day is going to be crow. All right. But that is it for this time. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel so you never the video. I'm doing one video a day every single day. doing one video a day every single day. Follow me on Instagram at your boy Ski. Follow me on Twitter at Gajewskey. Follow me on TikTok at your boy Ski. Subscribe to the channel. If you want my exact buy sell alerts, my exact portfolio in cryptocurrency and the stock market and real estate, all of that. If you want my exact portfolio, books that have changed my life, impacted me, go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon. I'm giving away tons and tons of value for basically nothing, just because I want to teach you how to fish. But I'll still teach you how to fish even on this channel. So that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. Out.
Today I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.